Hey guys, welcome back to your girl channel. And if you are returning to my channel, thank you for riding the wave with me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload. Let's jump into the video. Guys, welcome back. Like I said, I'm here with a little video, and as you can see in the title, I am about to talk about sea mass, chit chat with you a little bit, not for long, about sea mass. So guys, I've been hearing about sea mass and how good it is, and all the minerals. It has over 30 something minerals. Yeah, minerals and vitamins. So I went in search, but when I checked out my little city, they don't have it, and they don't even know what I am asking about. So, homegirl has to go back to Amazon. So I went on Amazon and quickly do my little thing. There was a whole other thing that will confuse you because you want to get the organic one, the right thing. And then boom, I saw organic wild harvested Jamaican sea moss. I was like, wow, it's coming from Jamaica. This must be good and this must be really organic. So I definitely say reach out to grab it. It's not on the shelf, but to put it in my cart. So guys, and I look at the cost, I was like, whoa, this is a lot for this. But I didn't know how big it was at the time, even though I'm sure the size must have been there, but I overlook it. But then guys, when it come in one big Amazon box, I was excited and I pulled it open. I was so disappointed to see this is what come in one big box. Hope you can see it. It's so tiny. But I don't want to complain about cost, as I said, because the benefits far away outweigh the cost. This is my first time going to try sea moss. I've never tried it before. Let me let you know that. But your girl love the natural thing, the healthy thing. So I'm going to use this sea mask as a mask for my face to even out my skin tone and all of that. Yep. I'm also going to have daily intake because it helps with your metabolism and it gives you energy. It promotes good metabolism and it gives energy. And I know I need some energy. I'm going to be frank. And so that's for my daily intake. I will also add it to my smoothies. And I will also add it to my sauces. So that's the uses. Like for use, right? It's for uses. I think I am going to use it. Guys, if you don't know how to make the sea mask, you can check out Soga Family TV. She did the preparation on this, so you'll learn how to prepare it. But or if you want your homegirl to prepare it for you, you can comment below that you'd like to see a video with the preparation, and I will do that. But I must point out, I'm so proud of my little country. Like, so proud. They even did so tiny. This company went ahead and they include what I call like a little brochure, and this brochure tells you how to make it. That is, if you don't have a clue, you will know how to make it. And not only that, it tells you the benefits, and I will just highlight some of these. It says it promotes heart health, it promotes thyroid health, it promotes weight loss. So if you're on your journey, you can include this in your smoothies and those stuff for your weight loss. It improves the libido, and that's for both male and females. So if you want to turn up the thing in the bedroom a little notch, you have to take some sea moss. Am I promoting sea moss? No, but it improves your hair growth. And we all want good hair growth. Your skin and the nails, they improve the immune system, and it promotes digestion. It improves your metabolism and energy. See, I mentioned energy earlier. It improves your workout recovery. It improves mental and emotional health. We all need that good mental health in order to be effective. So that's good. And they said it can be used as a thickening agent in your vegan cooking. So you can use it to thicken your sauce. So you don't have to use that cornstarch. You can use this instead. So yeah, there you have it. My little chit chat moment about sea.